Very light gray, which everybody thinks it's a white. So surprise, I'll show you what it is now, and you tell me what you think about it. So I'm about to beat you. We're going to take back the car to another video. So this is a little spot, guys. I'm just gonna do a little video for you. I haven't really put up a video after I rebuilt the engine and got it started. So this is basically kind of a first video after it has been rebuilt, right? I also have a surprise for you, which looking good, yeah. But yes, the car drives pretty well, smooth and nice. Only I think I might need to do one thing. Yeah, I heard a little rattling in the top chain section, but I kind of know what that is already. It's I think I need to change the timing chain tensioner, right? I ordered it already. I was to get it before I finished the car and to do this video, but I haven't got it yet, and I decided that it's long overdue to basically show you what I did to the car. So that is coming in another video. It's ordered. When it reached, then I'll just change it, and basically that's it. But the car is running good. So thankful for that rebuild and that long exhausting moment where it wasn't starting. Yeah, but I do have a little surprise for you guys, and you'll see very soon. I'm not gonna reveal yet, but yeah, I hope you like it. All right. This is it, guys. This is it. A new color on the Silly. I think this color is called Nada Gray.